all round, we've still got some more cars to fix. We've still got some more projects and a big build next week you're going to see on the main channel. But I managed to bring home the Bugatti seatbelts and send them to the airbag team and get them all reset, ready to go back into Alex's car. So all we need to do now is go back to Miami, and the next step will be trying to attempt to split that car in half to inspect and hopefully repair that damage on the engine and gearbox. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you next week on the main channel. Peace out.